Oh my gosh, how much damage can you take? Oh, good frag, good frag. I didn't kill him. Probably did enough damage, but you know, we got it. Dom. Where's Dom at? Yeah, I know about the second ambush point, but where's Dom? At least Baird's up here with me. Okay, and Cole's up here with me. Baird, please don't. Please don't get yourself killed, my dog. We don't need that. I thought this was gonna be so smooth going, and then I died. Died already to the first. I died to some shit I shouldn't even die to. Are you right here? Damn it.
Move. Scratch one grub.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We will not have a repeat. I refuse to have a repeat. Baird, don't draw him over here. It's okay, man. Me and Baird, we gonna save y'all. Trust, trust, trust.
Oh yeah.
We got it. We locked in for y'all. I'm guessing that motherfucker died. You know what? Oh shit. God damn, that didn't do shit. No way! Now I'm sick. Now I'm sick. I gotta get that ammo, like, now.